Welcome to Mr. SharePoint. Microsoft Ignite 2025 just wrapped up, and if you work with Microsoft 365, everything is about to change. From agent mode that transforms how you work in Excel, Word, and PowerPoint, to no-code app building, to enterprise-wide agent governance, this keynote was packed with announcements. I've watched the entire 2-hour keynote so you don't have to. Let's break down the biggest announcements that will actually impact how you work. The first one is Work IQ, the intelligence layer that makes everything else possible. Work IQ is what allows Copilot to truly understand your business. Unlike simple connectors that just pull fragments of data, Work IQ understands your entire organization, your emails, documents, meetings, line of business systems, and how they all connect. Think of it as Copilot's brain. It knows who you are, what you work on, and who you work with. It understands your workflows, your business processes, and your organizational context. This is built into your M365 environment and respects all permissions from the start. This is why Copilot can give you personalized, accurate results that actually make sense for your business. Everything you're about to see is powered by Work IQ. Now for the biggest announcement, Agent Mode in Excel, Word, and PowerPoint. Let's start with Excel. In the demo, Anne from the fictional company Safa needed to figure out inventory allocation across multiple facilities. She opened Excel, enabled Agent Mode, and gave it one prompt. Nice! It creates dynamic formulas, generates charts, adds conditional formatting, everything updates in real time. One prompt, complete solution. Word gets the same treatment. When the team needed a sales quote, Agent Mode in Word pulled information from emails, looked up shipping costs and pricing that didn't exist in the original email, and filled out the entire document. The agent co-writes with you, but you stay in control. This is different from the old Copilot sidebar. Agent Mode can actually complete complex, multi-step tasks autonomously while you maintain oversight. Next, App Builder and Copilot Studio. 2 tools, 2 levels of power. App Builder lets anyone create applications. In the demo, a Java store manager described a scheduling app in plain English, and App Builder generated it in minutes. Dashboards, shift visualizations, team tables, a full application, no coding required. The store manager shared this app with Lydia, their IT professional. Lydia then used Copilot Studio to build an autonomous agent that handles sick callouts automatically. When someone emails they're sick, the agent finds replacements, contacts them, and updates the manager. Zero human intervention. Apps for citizen developers, agents for IT professionals, both powered by the same platform. Next one is Agent 365. With all these agents being created, how do you manage them? That's where Agent 365 comes in. Agent 365 is your control plane for agents. It lives right inside the M365 Admin Center, where you already manage users and devices. In the demo, Jared showed how IT can see every agent across the organization, who built them, what platforms they use, what data they access, and what security risks they pose. You get a complete agent registry with usage analytics. The security integration is critical. Agent 365 connects with Defender and Purview to detect threats like jailbreak attempts and prevent data loss. When incidents happen, you see the full scope immediately. And it's not just Microsoft agents. Agent 365 works with ServiceNow, Workday, and other platforms. One control plane for your entire agent ecosystem. Moving on to the next one. For developers, there's GitHub Copilot and the new Agent HQ. Agent HQ is mission control for all your coding agents. You can assign tasks to agents, they work in the background, and you monitor everything in one place. In the demo, Kyle assigned a mobile-friendly website task to an agent. The agent generated code and created pull requests autonomously, while Kyle worked on other priorities. Multiple coding agents, one dashboard. Plus, enterprises now get metrics on Copilot usage. Which models, which languages, and adoption rates. Finally, real ROI data on developer tools. Quick bonus! Anthropic's Claude models are now available on Microsoft Foundry and Azure. This means Claude is integrated into M365 Copilot Chat, GitHub Copilot, and the entire Microsoft ecosystem. Azure is now the only hyperscaler offering both OpenAI and Anthropic models. You now have access to the best AI models available all in one platform. So that's it, 5 announcements that will change how you work with Microsoft 365. Agent Mode makes Office apps smarter. App Builder and Copilot Studio let anyone build solutions. Agent 365 keeps it all secure and manageable. And GitHub Agent HQ helps developers ship faster. This isn't some future vision, these tools are rolling out now. I'm planning deep dive videos on each feature, so subscribe if you want to see those. And let me know in the comments which announcement you're most excited about. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.